Here's a pair of Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone. So very simple. So first thing we want to do is put these into pairing mode, okay? So go ahead and open up the case like this, and then you'll know it's in pairing mode when it's blinking blue, okay? Mine's not blinking blue here. You have this little button on the back of the case here. Let me press and hold that for about 2 seconds or until I see a blue light blink, okay? Now it's in pairing mode. It's blinking blue here. Now let's go to the settings on our iPhone here. And then from here we want to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And now go all the way down the bottom into other devices. These are all the devices that are in pairing mode that's close to me, okay? And it's still in pairing mode. I can see it blinking blue. And there's the Bose QC Ultra earbuds right there. So let me tap on that and give it one moment and wait till it connects. It is now connected. Now, if you guys have issues connecting or pairing or whatnot, you can always factory reset these as well. Look in the link below and I'll show you how to factory reset these if you have trouble connecting. Okay, anyway, we're connected here on the iPhone. Good luck.